The sky trembles as the Boeing F-15EX Eagle L takes flight, a next-generation fighter jet born from a legendary bloodline. The United States Air Force has unleashed a machine designed not just to dominate the skies, but to redefine the future of air superiority. From the iconic F-15 Eagle that ruled the skies for decades, emerges the F-15EX Eagle II. Stronger, smarter, and deadlier. This is not just an upgrade, it's the rebirth of an icon, forged for the 21st century battlefield. Powered by twin General Electric F-110 engines, the F-15EX roars with over 220,000 pounds of thrust each, a jet that can reach Mach 2.5, carrying more weapons than any other fighter in its class. This is raw power, wrapped in steel and stealth technology. Inside its advanced cockpit lies a world of digital warfare and open mission, system that allows instant software, updates, cutting-edge radar, and a digital backbone ready for future weapons. The F-15EX isn't just built for today, it's built for tomorrow. With the ability to carry 22 air-to-air missiles, precision bombs, and hypersonic weapons, the Eagle II is a flying fortress. Its mission, to secure air dominance and ensure America's skies remain untouchable. And now, the moment of truth. The test flight. Watch as the Eagle II spreads its wings, thundering into the skies. Every maneuver, every roar of the engines is a reminder. This is no ordinary jet. This is America's future in motion. Born in the factories of Boeing, raised in the proving grounds of the US Air Force, and destined for the battlefield. The F-15EX Eagle LL is not just an aircraft. It's a symbol of dominance, legacy, and unstoppable power. You've witnessed history in motion. The Boeing F-15EX Eagle the legend reborn. Do you believe this jet will secure America's skies for the next generation? Tell us in the comments. And if you love military aviation, hit like, share this video, and subscribe now for more supersonic news.